Hey lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm back with another video for you, and apparently an itchy head as well. And as you can see, it's well past wash day. My scalp was really dry and itchy, which should come as no surprise because I've been chilling in the house not doing anything. You know, it's easy to just kind of let your hair do what it's gonna do when you have nowhere to go. But I was finally tired of looking raggedy, so I washed my hair. And just in case you're wondering, to wash my hair, I use my Organics Babassu conditioning shampoo, and for rinse out conditioner, I use Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Coconut Conditioner. And of course, for styling, I use my Afro Sheen Curl Defining Cream. That cream has been my favorite styler as of late, along with the Curls Beat and Control Curl Sculpting Gel. If you didn't know, Curls has this new line of curling gels with different hold levels, and the green one is the strongest ultimate hold, and it gives my hair the definition that I'm always looking for. Now, in order to do the faux bang look, you don't have to start with a wash and go. I just wanted to start with one because it's been such a long time since I last did a wash and go. I've been stuck on braid outs and twist outs, so I just missed my defined curls. But you can absolutely start with a braid out and twist out. Anything that's going to give your hair a nice full look so that everything blends together would work for this hairstyle. Now, I just wanted to quickly mention, because I didn't really do this on camera the way I'm supposed to, but whenever I finish a section, like applying the product and everything, I like to clip the hair up off of my shoulders as much as possible. This day, I didn't have all my clips right in front of me, and I didn't feel like going downstairs to get more, but normally I have 3 sections or so of clips, hanging from my hair, because I don't like for my hair to rub up against my shirt or my robe because it can cause frizzing, and I want my hair to be as defined as possible before I start diffusing. Now, while I'm applying this product to my hair, I wanted to talk about 2 ingredients that I mentioned in my previous video where I talked about toxic hair ingredients. I wasn't clear on the alcohol ingredient. Not all alcohols are bad for your hair. The one that I was speaking about in the video, along with the others that I mentioned, can be very detrimental to your hair. But the good ones can be very moisturizing for your hair, so check the description box because I will put a list of some of the good alcohols there. And the other ingredient I wanted to mention is polyethylene glycol, aka PEGs. There seems to be a lot of conflicting reports about whether or not, PEGs are safe to use, what amounts are safe to use, should you use them at all. My advice to you is just do your own research. PEGs are found in a lot of beauty and skincare products, so it's just one of those things you have to decide for yourself. All right, now my hair is nice and dry, especially since I waited 2 days before I got back on camera to do this style. I don't know, I just felt like working with second/third day hair would be easier, and I thought it would have way more volume and fullness. You know how second/third day hair can just have everything going on that you want. And as you can see, I've done this half up, half down style where I've only pulled the ponytail halfway through. Now, I will say I wanted to do a more not so obvious way of doing these faux bangs, because I feel like it's super easy to just do a pull through ponytail, or not all the way pulled through ponytail to get the bangs that you want. So I was gonna do something where I took the front section of my hair, just kind of twisted it up until the hair twisted around itself, pinned that, and let whatever didn't twist into the little bun thingy. Never mind. It sounds way more confusing than what it would have been. Long story short, my hair was just too long in the front. It did not work. It looked crazy. So halfway pulled through the ponytail it is. And then from there, I just positioned the curls the way I wanted them to be positioned. Used the bobby pins to keep everything in place. And just kind of messed with it until I got the look that I was going for. At first I was a little bit unsure because you can't really see the part of the half up, half down, so it just looked like a lot of hair just kind of just there on top of my head. So I used a hair tie to kind of calm things down a little bit with the bun on top of my head, just to create a little bit of definition between the top and the bottom half of my hair. And this is the final look. Now, I will say this, it took a few minutes for this style to grow on me, but the more I looked at myself in the mirror, the more I played with it, the more I was happy with the results. It's just so different than how I've ever seen myself. But that's gonna be the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Make sure those notifications are on, and as always, thanks for watching.